Jai Hind, dear students. This is Varsha Chauhan, your English educator. Today I am here with another video of English grammar, which is punctuation and the capital letters. See students, this is one of the very important topic of English grammar because this is used in your writing and it just enhances your writing and the things you want to convey. So let's start with the topic. So first we will understand what is punctuation. See, punctuation marks are symbols used in writing. They show pauses, emotion and sentence meaning. Without punctuation, sentences become confusing. See students, as we know, without using any full stop or question mark or colon or semicolon, we can't write an effective writing, isn't it? So punctuation are very important for those. Now we can see here in the slide types of punctuation and the symbols of particular punctuation is also given in front of it. So first we have full stop. We most oftenly we are using this full stop in our writing work. Next is question mark. Next is exclamatory mark, then comma, then semicolon, colon, apostrophe and quotation mark. So these are the punctuation marks with their symbols. Now come to the first one, which is full stop. Now we can see the uses of full stop here. It is used to end a statement. It is also used to end a command. After abbreviations, we can use that. In decimal number also, we can see full stop as a decimal dot. Now here are the examples. Like she is my friend. Here you can see full stop is used to end the statement. Next is do not touch the wire. Here also this full stop is ending a sentence. In Dr. R.K. Sharma is defined properly with the stops given here. Next, in fourth example, we can see the decimal in form of full stop in form of decimal like 12.5, which is 12 decimal 5, 98.6. So here is the another example of full stop. Now next we have question mark. See students, we are using this question mark most often and you all are aware of this. So it is used at the end of a question mark. Examples are what is your name, where are you going, do you like reading. So these all are questions which is ending up with a question mark. Next we have exclamatory mark, which is exclamation mark. It is used to show strong feeling, used after commands, expresses surprise, joy, anger or pain, which makes your writing very effective. See with the examples stop, hooray. These are the examples of exclamation. Like take a sentence, wow, what a beautiful house. In this, wow is a word which is showing the expression which we can finish with the exclamation mark just after it. Next we have comma. It is the shortest pause. It gives divide part of a sentence clearly. Uses of commas are to separate words in a list, so to separate phrases, to separate clauses, to separate dates. In letters, salutations and closing, we can use commas. Also in the reported speech, it is used. Now take an example. I bought apples, bananas and oranges. See student here, fruits name are divided properly with the commas. Next we have punctuation mark, which is semicolon. Now this is the longer pause than the comma. Helps in joining two related main clause. It is used instead of and, but and so. We can see it clearly with the example. I was tired, I continued my work. Instead of using but here, we can apply semicolon. Next we have colon. In this, colon is the greater pause than the semicolon. This is the third one pause. It is used in written conversations. For example, bring these items. Pen, pencil, notebook. Teacher, open your book. Now here we have to take a long pause, so that is why we are using colon here. Next punctuation is apostrophe. You can see the sign symbol of apostrophe, but here we are using apostrophe for the possession. it is used singular noun girl's bag. So here the bag belongs to the girl. Plural noun ending in s like boys hostel means that particular hostel is meant for the boys. Irregular plurals also it is used for like children's toy. So toys belong to children. So those will be the children's toys. Next we have apostrophe, which is used as omission here. The uses of this apostrophe shows missing letter here. Like if we don't want to write I have completely, then we can abbreviate it like I have. Do not will become don't, cannot become can't. So here is the apostrophe omission. Now let's go to the another one, which is quotation mark. Here if something is said by someone, we can put it under the quotation mark. So we can say it is used to show exact words spoken by someone. For example, please sit down, said the teacher. So here the word said by teacher is taken under the quotation mark. Mother said finish your homework. So finish your homework are the words said by mother. So those words are also came under the quotation mark. Now next we have capital letters. Students, this is again the very important thing you should understand. So what is capital letters? Capital letters are used to begin important words. They give importance and clarity to writing. See the uses of capital letters. Capital letters are used to begin a sentence, begin each line of a poem. It is used to write proper nouns. It is used to write proper adjectives, refer to God, write the pronoun I. Now we can understand it more clearly by some examples. You can see the first one example, she lives in Delhi. Now in Delhi is a proper noun, so that is why D is capital over here, and the beginning word of the sentence and the alphabet is S here, so it is also capital. Now Sunday is a holiday. In this, S is capital as it is a starting alphabet of a sentence. Now what is the importance of capital letters in punctuations? See students, it improves readability, of course. It makes the thing very easy to be read. It avoid confusion, make writing effective, help express correct meaning. Now let's have a quick recap. What we have studied here, punctuation marks guide reading, yes. Capital letters highlight importance. Both are essential for good writing. So these are the recap points here. So thank you students. Let's write correctly and confidently. Best of luck. If there is any doubt, you can comment below for your queries. Thank you so much.